Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to speak fluent English in just 1 month? It sounds impossible, right? But the truth is, 1 month is enough to create massive progress, if you stop wasting time on the wrong things and focus only on what actually works. Most people fail because they try to learn English like a school subject, reading grammar books, memorizing word lists, or watching random videos without any system. If you really want fluency in 1 month, you need a strategy. And today, I'm going to give you that strategy step by step, something that will train your brain, your tongue, and your confidence together. Let's start with the first rule: you must make English your environment. From the moment you wake up to the moment you sleep, surround yourself with English. Change your phone language to English. Think in English. Read in English. Listen in English. Even if you live in a non-English speaking country, your environment can be 100% English if you choose it. Fluency comes when English becomes part of your daily life, not just a subject you study. Second, speak from day one. Most people say, "I'll start speaking after I learn enough." That's the biggest lie learners tell themselves. You learn to speak by speaking, not by studying. Even if you know only 20 words, use them. Say things like, "I am happy, I like coffee, I'm going to work." Your first goal isn't perfection, it's flow. Once your brain gets used to forming sentences quickly, accuracy will follow automatically. Third, listen every single day, at least 1 hour. Choose content that you understand about 70% of. It can be YouTube videos, podcasts, or movies. The key is to listen actively, not passively. Pause after each sentence and repeat what you hear. Copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, the pauses. This trains your ears and tongue together. After a few days, you'll start noticing patterns in natural English, how words connect, how people really speak. That's fluency training, not classroom English. Fourth, read aloud daily. Reading aloud builds pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Take any short article or story, read it slowly, and record yourself. Then listen to that recording. You'll notice where you sound unnatural or where you are stuck. Fix those parts the next day. 1 week of this simple exercise can transform your speaking ability. Fifth, think in English all day long. Stop translating in your head. When you look at something, say it in English: "That's my bag, the weather is nice, I feel tired." At first it will feel strange, but after a few days your brain begins to respond automatically in English. That's when fluency starts kicking in. Sixth, don't chase grammar perfection. Fluent English doesn't mean grammatically perfect English. It means smooth, confident, and clear English. Even native speakers make grammar mistakes every day, but they never stop speaking. Focus on clarity and communication first. As your fluency grows, grammar will naturally become better through repetition. Seventh, use a mirror. Stand in front of it, talk for 5 minutes every day about anything: your day, your plans, your feelings. Watch your mouth move, your expression, your body language. This practice builds real-world speaking confidence. If you can talk confidently to yourself, you can talk to anyone. Eighth, learn phrases, not words. Don't memorize single words like important, beautiful, decide. Learn them in groups: "That's important for me, you look beautiful today, I decided to try." When you learn in phrases, you train your brain to use English like a native, in natural patterns, not broken grammar. Ninth, record short speaking videos. Every 2 or 3 days, record a 1-minute video of yourself speaking on a topic. Maybe, my daily routine, my favorite movie, or my dream job. Then listen to it later and compare with your earlier ones. You'll actually hear your progress. That's how you build self-confidence and track improvement. 10th, immerse with mini goals. Here's how you can structure your 1-month journey. Week 1. Focus on listening and speaking basic sentences. Talk about yourself, your routine, and things around you. Forget grammar, just focus on expressing ideas. Week 2. Start shadowing, listening and repeating native speech. Read aloud every day. You'll feel your mouth adapting to English sounds. Week 3. Start thinking fully in English. Write a small paragraph daily and read it aloud. Talk to yourself in English before sleeping. Week 4. Engage in real conversations, online, with friends or language partners. Record yourself, notice improvement, and celebrate it. By now, you'll feel comfortable forming sentences without panic or delay. Remember, fluency is a habit, not a miracle. You can't study English for 2 hours a day and expect fluency if you spend the rest of the day in your native language. The secret is consistency, small doses of English all day long. Another powerful tip: listen to yourself more than your fear. Everyone feels shy at first. But nobody remembers your mistakes, they only notice your confidence. When you speak with energy, people listen. So even if your grammar isn't perfect, deliver your words with belief. Also, reward yourself for progress. If you spoke English today for 10 minutes, that's success. If you learned 5 new phrases and used them, that's success. Small wins create momentum, and momentum builds fluency. 1 month is more than enough to see visible change if you stay consistent every day. Forget the idea of being fluent like a native, focus on being clear, confident, and comfortable. That's real fluency. So, stop waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect accent. Start now. Speak today, even if your voice shakes. Because 1 month from now, you'll thank yourself for beginning today. Fluent English isn't a dream. It's a skill, and you can build it faster than you think. Every word you speak brings you closer. Every mistake teaches you something. Every day of effort counts. Make English your daily language, and you'll be surprised at how fast your confidence grows. So go on, speak, listen, think, and live in English for the next 30 days. If you stay consistent, your friends won't believe how fluent you sound after just 1 month. Start today. Don't be scared. Be unstoppable. For more such video, like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep shining.